Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. Mahua Moitra, a member of parliament from the All India Trinamool Congress, that is TMC, has approached the Delhi High Court seeking custody of her pet Rottweiler Henry, intensifying an ongoing legal battle with her former partner, Advocate Jai Anand Dehadrai. Well, the matter was taken up by the Justice Manoj Kumar Auri, who issued notice to Dehadrai and sought his response to Moitra's petition. Notably, the case is now scheduled to be heard on April 29. Well, Mahua Moitra's plea challenges a November 10 order passed by a Saket court, which had refused her request to grant her custody of Henry for around 10 days every month. Notably, she has argued before the High Court that the lower court's order is bad in law and fact, maintaining that Henry primarily resided with her and stayed with her ex-partner only when she travelled outside Delhi for official duties in her constituency. According to her petition, the arrangement reflected the practical realities of her parliamentary responsibilities, and she contends that she has been a primary caregiver to the dog. Appearing in person before the High Court, Dehadrai urged the court to dismiss the petition in lamine, arguing that it does not merit consideration. The custody dispute has been pending before the Saket court, where proceedings have already seen multiple legal developments. Last year in September, the Delhi High Court had issued notice to Moitra in connection with an appeal filed by Dehadrai challenging a trial court order that restrained both the parties from publicizing the matter. And the trial court had directed that the proceedings should not be publicized in any matter. That is a direction that her ex-partner opposed, describing it as a sweeping gag order that prevented him from even disclosing the existence of the case in the public domain. Well, the legal dispute stems from a personal fallout between Moitra and Dehadrai, who were reportedly in a relationship and jointly involved in raising Henry, a Rottweiler allegedly purchased by Dehadrai in 2021 for Rs 75,000. Her ex-partner, Dehadrai, has claimed that he bought Henry home when the dog was just 40 days old and has cared for him since. Moitra, however, has alleged that Dehadrai, her ex-partner, has trespassed into her residence and took Henry without her consent, leading her to file a custody suit seeking possession of the pet. Well, the conflict over Henry unfolded alongside broader public and legal confrontations between the two, including controversies in the political sphere. However, the present proceedings before the High Court are focused specifically on the custody arrangement of their dog and the legality of the Saket court's refusal in order to grant Moitra interim access to the dog Henry. And with now notice issued and responses awaited, the High Court will examine whether the lower court's order warrants interference when the matter comes up for hearing on April 29, 2026. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.